Hello guys! We are gonna play a mini game called boat racing in the sewer. Sewer boat race. Oh, come on!
What's up, dude?
This is my friend in Minecraft or my brother in real life. And he's Doom Cage. We are gonna play this. Okay, let's start right now. Mine is Acacia boat. Mine is Acacia.
Okay, mine is a birch boat. Look at that big creepy shit.
Okay. Wait. 1, 2, 3, go! Whee! Yeah, I'm winning,
I'm
bro.
winning, dudes.
I'm winning.
Hey, bitch. I'm totally winning, bitch.
Oh, I'm winning.
Oh, yeah, I'm winning.
I'm winning.
Yeah, I'm winning.
Yes. Yoo-hoo! Someone's gonna win.
That's called Doom
no.
Cage.
No.
You're gonna win, Doom
No,
Cage.
come on.
Doom Cage, you're gonna win.
Oh no, come
Doom
on.
Cage.
No!
Doom Cage, you're gonna win.
Oh my god,
what is
I'm
this
really
boat
bad
here?
at steering this thing. Oh my
This
god,
is-
there's a stupid boat there. Oh no, come on. Whoa! I'm gonna first do it. Haha.
Oh my god, I get stuck. I'm lagging, perfectly lagging. So guys,
Right there. I'm going up. Okay. Whoa!
hey, you son of a...
Oh my god. Come on! Woo! I'm winning,
Oh yeah,
y'all.
cock beast. Oh yeah, I'm winning. I'm winning.
I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm winning. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Woo! Who's gonna win? Me. Ha ha ha. Your last prickle head.
Oh, nandiyan ako. Inauna ako.
I'm first. I'm first.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
I'm first, yo. Come on. I am the first one. Okay.
Oh yeah. GG, good game. So,
It's
to decide and play
GG.
against us.
Okay. Whee!
I'm the champion, dude, so...
Okay, guys. This is the end of my video. Please subscribe or like. Hope you enjoy.